Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some incredibly exciting news for all Apple fans out there. If you're someone who loves staying up to date with the latest gadgets and innovations, then you're in for a treat. Apple is gearing up to unveil the highly anticipated iPad mini 7, and it's expected to be a game changer in the world of tablets. In this video, we'll be diving deep into everything we know so far about the iPad mini 7. From its rumored features and performance upgrades to its design and pricing, we've got all the details you need to know. So whether you're considering an upgrade or just curious about what's next from Apple, stick around as we explore what makes the iPad mini 7 so special. First, let's talk about the expected unveiling date. Apple is known for its grand product launches, and the iPad mini 7 is no exception. The tech world is buzzing with anticipation as we approach late 2024, the rumored timeframe for this exciting announcement. As always, Apple has managed to keep most details under wraps, but leaks and rumors have given us a glimpse of what to expect. Now let's move on to the features that have everyone talking. The iPad mini 7 is rumored to come with a range of groundbreaking improvements. From superior performance and improved battery life to potential camera advancements, this device is shaping up to be a significant upgrade from its predecessor. We'll break down each of these features in detail so you know exactly what to look forward to. The iPad mini 7 retains the same design as its predecessor, the iPad mini 6. This includes the same thickness, weight, and camera placement. While there are no major design changes, there are some updates in color options. The pink color has been discontinued, the purple color is now lighter, and a new blue color option has been added. These subtle changes give the iPad mini 7 a fresh look while maintaining its familiar design. The iPad mini 7 features a 6.3-inch liquid retina LCD display. With a brightness of 500 nits, it may not be as bright as some of the newer phones on the market, but it still offers a sharp and clear viewing experience with 327 pixels per inch. One notable improvement is the absence of the jelly scrolling issue, although this is yet to be confirmed. The display has a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is not the promotion technology found in higher-end models, but it is sufficient for most users. Under the hood, the iPad mini 7 is powered by the A17 Pro chip, the same chip found in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This upgrade, along with the increase to 8 GB of RAM from the 4 GB in the iPad mini 6, results in significantly faster performance and graphics. The iPad mini 7 supports iOS 18 and is compatible with the Apple Pencil Pro, making it a powerful tool for both productivity and creativity. The base model of the iPad mini 7 starts at 128 GB, an upgrade from the 64 GB starting point of the iPad mini 6. This increase in storage is a welcome change for users who need more space for apps, photos, and other content. However, it's worth noting that prices increase significantly with higher storage options. In terms of connectivity, the iPad mini 7 has been upgraded to USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, which is faster than the USB-C port on the iPad mini 6. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster and more reliable connections. The iPad mini 7 includes an integrated Touch ID sensor for secure authentication. It also features dual speakers for an improved audio experience and offers up to 10 hours of battery life. The front-facing and rear-facing cameras remain the same as those on the iPad mini 6, providing reliable performance for video calls and photography. In summary, the iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be a remarkable addition to Apple's lineup. With its superior performance powered by the A17 Pro chip, increased RAM, and enhanced connectivity options, it promises to deliver a seamless and powerful user experience. The design remains familiar, yet refreshed with new color options, and the display, while not the brightest on the market, offers sharp and clear visuals. The iPad mini 7 is expected to start at $499 for the base 128 GB model, making it a competitive option for those looking for a compact yet powerful tablet. Its availability in early November 2024 means that eager customers won't have to wait long to get their hands on this exciting new device. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Stay tuned for more tech news and reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.